research methodology by the title Analyzing the Impact of Customer Satisfaction and Loyalty on Logistics Service Quality in E-commerce among Generation Z Customer in Selangor. For the chapter 1 is introductions. The rise of e-commerce has significantly transformed the global retail landscape, with logistics service quality emerging as a critical factor in ensuring customer satisfaction and loyalty. Logistics service quality refers to the overall performance and efficiency of logistic service in fulfilling customer requirement, encompassing dimensions such as process, condition, and time. As e-commerce continue to expand, particularly among Generation Z, digital native with distinct preference and high standard for online shopping, and the quality of logistics service become even more crucial. And this demographic expect swift, reliable, and transparent service, making logistics service quality a vital element in shaping their online shopping experience. And the complexity of measuring logistics service quality, given its subjective nature and variability of services, presents unique challenges for logistic provider. However, as the e-commerce market, especially in region like Malaysia, grow rapidly, the emphasis on improving logistics service is essential for business aiming to drive in a competitive digital economy. Okay, next is problem statement. The rapid growth of e-commerce in Malaysia, particularly in developed area like Selangor, has positioned Generation Z as a critical consumer demographic. This generation, known for its digital savviness and high expectation for quick, seamless, and transparent online transactions, plays significant importance on logistics service quality. However, despite the industry's expansions, there remain a gap in understanding how logistics service quality specifically influence customer satisfaction and loyalty among Generation Z in Selangor. Compounding this issue is the concept of fake loyalty, where customer may continue purchasing from a seller not out of genuine satisfaction, but due to a lack of alternative or high shipping costs. Therefore, there is a pressing need to develop a logistic service quality scale tailored to Generation Z to better understand which aspect of logistic they value most. And this understanding could help e-commerce business formulate more effective strategies to enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty, ultimately contributing to long-term economic success in Malaysia's rapidly evolving e-commerce market. This is the research objective and the research question that can support my research. The first is to evaluate the impact of the relationship between order accuracy and customer satisfaction and loyalty. And the second is to determine the impact of the relationship between order condition and customer satisfaction and loyalty. And the last is to analyze the impact of the relationship between delivery schedule and customer satisfaction and loyalty. And right side, research questions that support the research objective. So the next is literature review. The first is customer satisfaction and loyalty. And customer satisfaction reflect the value customer receive in a transaction or relationship. And high level of satisfaction lead to positive word of mouth, repeat business, and customer loyalty, which in turn boosts company's revenue and profitability. So satisfied customers are more likely to return and make a repeat purchase, and product quality that meet or exceed expectation is crucial for maintain this satisfaction. And providing prompt, efficient, and effective service, including resolving issue, ensuring accurate and time deliveries, and maintain product quality, enhance customer satisfaction. Loyal customers, who are essential for long-term brand growth, tend to be less sensitive to price, more forgiving of mistake, and more likely to refer others. And trust is the foundation of loyalty. and a strong relationship built on trust and excellent service burden strength customer loyalty. Ultimately, the perceived value of a product or service play a significant role in fostering customer loyalty. The next is order accuracy. Order accuracy is crucial for meeting customer expectation and ensuring satisfaction. Accurate order increase customer confidence and loyalty, while inaccurate ones can lead to dissatisfaction and negative feedback. To enhance the order accuracy, business can implement advanced technologies, strong order management system, and proper staff training, regular audit, and so on. And clear communications and real-time data sharing help maintain high level of accuracy, reducing and improving the overall customer experience. Okay, for the next is order conditions. So order conditions is effect of the customer satisfaction, and customer satisfaction closely tied to product arriving under damage and on time. Fault product can lead to refund and negative review, while high product integrity and effective packaging boost customer happiness or satisfaction and loyalty. Timely delivery is also important, as a delay can lower the perceived value of the service, and online logistic continuous process optimization and advanced technologies like automated warehouse and real-time tracking help minimize error and ensuring accurate the prompt delivery. Effective coordinations and real-time data sharing across the supply chain are essential for maintain high standard in order fulfillment. So the last is timelines in logistic refer to the promptness or service delivery is a key factor in logistic service quality. It's direct affect customer satisfaction by meeting for or exceeding expectation for fast and accurate delivery. And efficient logistic operations, including receiving, sorting, choosing transportation method, are crucial for timely delivery, and consistently meeting delivery schedule is essential for satisfying customer and building loyalty. So, therefore, the logistic companies must prioritize on-time delivery to foster a dedicated customer base. The next is underpinning theories. With the rapid growth of e-commerce, high-quality logistic service are crucial for customer satisfaction and loyalty, especially for Generation Z, who prioritize speed and reliability. And the circle theory evaluates service quality through the dimensions such as tangible reliability, assurance, responsiveness, and empathy. Ensuring order accuracy builds customer trust by delivering exactly what was promised, maintaining the physical condition of goods reflect the provider's commitment to quality, and timely delivers meet the responsiveness expectation, which is highly valued by the Generation Z. Using several help logistic providers improve their service and better meet customer expectations. So this is for the conceptual framework on how the order accuracy, order condition, and timeline delivery impact to the customer satisfaction and loyalty on logistic service quality in e-commerce. Therefore, the next is chapter 3 about research methodology. This research or this study use a qualitative survey method combined with a descriptive research designed to examine how order accuracy, order condition, and timeline affect customer satisfaction and loyalty among Generation Z e-commerce user in Selangor. And the research will employ a cross-sections approach to collect data on customer satisfaction and related to service quality. This method will help assess the relationship between variables without altering them, and will provide insight into customer perceptions and attitude. Questionnaire will be distributed to Selangor residents, and data will be analyzing using IBM SPSS statistic versions 29.0 and the cross-sectional is chosen for its efficiency, effectiveness, and cost effectiveness. So for data type and collection method, use a quantitative research method to collect the data on how uh, different factors like order accuracy, order condition, and timelines affect the customer satisfaction and loyalty among the Generation Z in Selangor. To collect this data, use the questionnaire distribute through the Google form via Instagram and WhatsApp. So the questionnaires are designed in both Malay and English language to accommodate the primary language used by the respondent. They are divided into two main part. The one is for collecting demographic information and the other for evaluating various aspects of service quality, including order accuracy, order conditions, and timelines. And the respondents can complete the questionnaire by accessing a QR code, providing both physical and digital format. Once the respondents are collected, they will be analyzed using SPSS software. And this approach ensures that all respondents are collecting accurately. And as the system check that each question is answered by using a Likert scale from strongly disagree to strongly agree, and the study aimed to measure customers' perception and satisfaction level effectively. So this for population and sampling for the populations. This involve calculating how many people need to be surveyed to accurately represent the target population and achieve the valid result. So in this study, the Krejci and Morgan table is used to determine the sample size, and this table helps to figure out the minimum number of respondents need based on the total population and desired confidence level. And for this study, it suggests that 384 respondents are needed. So this study focus on Generation Z individual between 15 years old until 29 years old living in Selangor, Malaysia. And according to the Department of Statistics Malaysia, the total populations of Selangor is about 7,300 and 83.1 point 4 million. Of this, 1,000 and 7,000 million plus are Generation Z by targeting a sample size of 384 from this group. Aim to collect representative data on consumer satisfaction and loyalty within this demographic. So for the sampling, focus on the Generation Z in Selangor, 15 to 29, to access how various factors affect their satisfaction and loyalty regarding logistics service. And non-probability sampling is used where not every member of the population has an equal chance to be selected. Instead, the participants are chosen based on the specific criteria, making this method suitable for describing characteristics without aiming to generalize a finding to the entire population. And non-probability sampling, such as convenience sampling, is practical for cost-effective and efficient research. And it's involved selecting respondents who are readily accessible, such as people encountered in everyday setting, which help in collecting data quickly and affordably. So for the last is conclusions, and this study and to provide useful informations on the impact of customer satisfaction and loyalty on logistics service quality in e-commerce among Generation Z customer in Selangor. And by increasing the understanding of the how logistics service quality can help e-commerce business develop strategies that increase customer satisfaction and loyalty, which ultimately drive long-term economic success in the growing Malaysian e-commerce market. I think That's enough from me. Thank you.